You're welcome to Cloudy 360 Computer Tech. In this very particular video, I am going to show you how to code with Visual Studio Code, putting HTML and CSS in Visual Studio Code. What I'm going to show you here is, when you click on this, let's wait for it to load. Okay, now take a good look at this. Before I do this, let me show you something. Come to this place. I want to work with this folder, right? Named 2, right? I will come to this, go to this file. You move straight to open folder, right? You click on it. It will take you straight to desktop. This is desktop, and I want to work with 2. I will click this 2. I will select. Wow, this is what I have here, right? So in this very particular folder, see what I have. This is what I have. Now I want to put in some certain things. I will come to this place. I will click on this. I will say index.html. I will press enter. Okay, this is where I can work. Then I will come here again. This is index.css. I'll press enter. So I want to work with only these 2, right? So what I have to do now is to come to this. This is HTML, right? So in this, I want to code with this. Let me start by saying document type. Okay, this is exactly what I have. Now, but from this very particular place, there are some certain things I don't need here, right? Just like this, I don't need this one. From this, I don't need this. For now, I will tell you the reason why I don't need this for now in my next video, right? Okay, so now this is title. I want this thing to be Cloudy 360. Computer Tech. Good. Now this is what I have as my title, right? Now in this place, I want to link this thing with CSS, right? I will come to this place. I will now say link.css. So I will click on this. So as you can see, so what I am going to put in this very particular place now will be, that is style sheets, style.css. That's good. Now in this very particular place, you can see this is the head, right? I am through with that. Now I move straight to body, right? Where I'm going to put whatever I need in this very code to run successfully. So in this, I am going to say div.main. I'll press enter. div.nav. div.navbar. I'll press enter. Then again div.icon, right? I'll press enter. Then let's say I want to write something in my website and I want it to have the headline one, right? Then I will press h1 dot logo. I will click on this. This is exactly what I have. Then the next thing is to type what I want to appear on the page, which is Cloudy 360 Computer Tech, right? I will now come to this place to run it. Wow, this is what I have here, right? Cloud 360 computer tech. Good. Now, another thing I'm also going to teach you here is maybe if I want this very particular thing that is in my logo to be moving around, like to be moving left to right or right to left, or even to be jumping up. Let me show you something here. This is what I will do. I will come to this place here. I will click here. I will click something like Mark Q, which is this. I will select this. I will come to this place and press Ctrl X. I'll come to this place, Ctrl V, right? I will run it. Let's see what it will give us. Wow, that's good. Now see this, as you can see, it's moving from right to left. It's moving from right to left. That's it. And I am also going to show you another thing. Let's assume if I want to underline this very particular thing, watch what I am going to do.